don't know where I should put the paper. Like, do I just put it in the normal tray? Okay, so apparently I have no black ink. Oh! Help me. Help me. Help me, Mom. Mom! Are you holding it? Oh, wala nang laman eh. How do you even know? I don't know. Empty. How do I know? It's white. This one? Ay, punong-puno yan. Here it is. I just don't listen to it. Ano ka pala? Sticker. Ah! Close! Ah!
That was the reset process.
Gumagana na. We're waiting for it to work. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the printer wasn't gonna work. I was gonna cry. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they can definitely be a bit smaller. I was thinking maybe putting 4 on one page to make them smaller. Round 2. This is normal paper. Damn. How frustrating. Why did I do this? I'm not sure if you can see this, but that one. Actually, why does it look okay on camera? Is my eyes deceiving me or something? Make grid or template. Number 2, skin tones. But J Hyun looks real good. Oh, and how long do these turn out to be? Whoa, that came out pretty big. That's too big because I plan on making these Polaroids. But I love the blues. But you know what? I kind of like this rustic effect. It kind of looks like a sketchbook. Something like that. I like this one. Go check out my Instagram at pl.studying. And I will be turning these into stickers. Guys, it's currently 2:22, okay? Yeah, my sleeping habit is so messed up because my sister woke me up at 12 midnight because she wanted me to post a picture for her. And look where I am. I'm just now awake. And I just decided that I wanted to open up my Christmas present. Last time I attempted to do the 9 members of NCT 127 and it turned out really nice. And then I also did a wavy one and you should check that out on my Instagram. But now I'm gonna try and do all the members. I don't know who got cut out though. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 21. I'll see you with an update later. Well, I also posted my first non-NCT drawing and I don't know if you guys like it. I drew tteokbokki. I don't know if you know what tteokbokki is, but tteokbokki is Korean spicy rice cakes. 17 likes! Yay! I got 17 likes! I also posted my first K-drama piece. Oh, my lisps. I have retainers, and if you can't really tell, you can kind of tell. If you know the drama It's Okay to Not Be Okay, then you would recognize this. And I did this for a Draw This in Your Style challenge thing. Thank you for reposting on your story. I can't believe it, it's right there. That's me. That's me. I'll probably show my recent K-drama ones. Guess who this is? Guess, I'll give you 3 seconds. 2, 1. It is Strong Double Soon. I have another one for you to guess. Guess who this is? 3, 2, 1. Okay. It is. Oh, it's her name. What's her name? Oh my gosh, what's her name? Choiso. My battery is about to die, but I also wanted to show you some of my recent drawings. Oh my god, oh my goodness. I will be doing my digital versions of these, but I really love like the look of sketches. I don't know why, it looks pretty raw. And we got a new bunny too. And these are just some of my sketches. I really should get like a watercolor sketching book because as you saw, I got a watercolor set for Christmas. Ow. So I have my work cut out for me basically. And this is what I'm working on right now. And these are the letters that Han Ji-pyong sent as Dosan to Dalmi. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. If you do like my art, please follow me on Instagram and share the love. I will be turning these into stickers too. My printer is actually broken down again, which is so annoying. And also I need to get to editing because I just didn't know if it would be too boring or not. But yeah, I got some more footage, so please stay tuned. And it's also been so busy because it's been like Christmas and then New Year's is coming up in 2 days. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be 2021. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try and get this vlog out before 2020 ends. I really want to do that. Okay, bye.